This is a very stupid video and you might think, why am I even making a grocery haul video? And this is all under $50. मेरे घर में सिर्फ मैं और मेरा हस्बैंड रहते हैं और हम लोग ये सब कुछ within like 2 weeks खत्म कर देते हैं। एक हफ्ते में खत्म कर देते हैं। Let's get started. This is half from Walmart, a little bit from Indian grocery stores. I'll start with the produce first. So every time I check for vegetables on the Walmart app, it shows me frozen vegetables, and I recently got to know you are supposed to check for produce rather than vegetables. और कभी-कभी इंडिया वाले vegetables मिल जाते हैं, जैसे मुझे एग प्लांट जो हम लोग इंडिया में बैंगन का भरता बनाते हैं, मुझे वो मिल गया था एक बार. So you can always keep checking on Walmart's app to see if you have any Indian vegetables coming in there. This is not a sponsored video from Walmart. They're not paying me anything. This is just that I'm sharing it with you. Starting with ginger, because मुझे और मेरे पति को गरम चाय पीनी बहुत पसंद है, तो यहाँ इतनी बड़ी जिंजर मिलती है, तो हम ये 2 लाए हैं. I have an apple. I just get like minimum fruits. नहीं तो सब वेस्ट होता है मेरे फ्रिज में पड़ा. So like 1 apple, 1 avocado again because 1 is enough. We don't need a lot. We always end up wasting if we get like more than 1. 5 bananas for smoothies. Bananas are always a good buy. So bananas. माही, या हमारी बेटी माही भी खाती है जो साइड में सोती हुई दिख रही है, वो मेरी इसमें आ रही है. Then I got 2 sweet potatoes. I think these are like really big. Not sure if they're supposed to be this big, but I have a few recipes that I want to try with sweet potatoes, so sweet potatoes this time. And because we don't get like smaller potatoes here, जो इंडिया में मिलते हैं, are really mini, and this can be used for. Do we call this kachalu in India? छोटे, अच्छा बड़े वाले. So these are like tiny sweet potatoes, tiny cute potatoes. Sweet potatoes तो वो है. So ये. Next I have curry leaves from Indian store. This is a must-have. Every time I go to an Indian store, I have to get curry leaves. Then cilantro, I got this from Walmart. They have really nice cilantros, and I think it's because there are a lot of Mexican food options around, so they keep cilantro every time. And did I show that I got like 3 garlics? We have so many garlics because जब हमें कोई रेसिपी में गार्लिक या सिलांट्रो पता चल जाता है कि है, तो हम एना पुट दे. आई डोंट नो, मैंने पंजाबी बोली नहीं बीच में. तो हम बहुत सारा गार्लिक डाल देते हैं जब भी किसी रेसिपी में गार्लिक होता है. सो एंड देन वी हैव बेबी कैरेट्स. दिस इज मोस्टली यूज्ड फॉर माही, बट हम कभी इफ वी मेक पुलाव और any other dish, maybe like fried rice, ये बहुत काम आता है. And even I like having it. इसको बस ऐसे ही खा लो. I'll just give 1 to Mahi right now. दो माही कोई कैरेट खाएगा. माही कैरेट खाएगा. कैच. ओए ये ले, आपके वीडियो के लिए मेरे को बेच दो. कैच. खा के नहीं रही है, कैच ही नहीं कर रही. ये ले. Good girl. So these are for mahi. Then spinach, because when I make palak paneer, this is used the most. ये इंडिया वाली spinach जैसी नहीं है. This is a little different. These are like leaves, but ये चल जाता है palak paneer में, so you can also get this. Now let's move to दूध. So I get this great value 2% reduced fat, 2% milk from Walmart. This is usually for teas or badam milk or shakes that we get this one. And for everyday coffee, I get the oat milk. This is the Planet oat milk. It's the Barista Lover one, and once you switch to this for your iced coffee, you're not going to go back to regular milk. We have Great Values green plain yogurt. Then next is this heavy whipping cream. This is an essential because we don't get cream on our milk here. ते मैं ले आंदिया. आपके सामने मेरी पंजाबी नहीं निकलती because I get so conscious. आप इतनी अच्छी पंजाबी बोलते हो. murg makhni, butter chicken, paneer butter masala, I use this. It's a really good buy. और ये चल जाता है उसके लिए. Other than that, we also use this for desserts. Like sometimes if we have a lot of fruits, this is something my mother-in-law taught me. If you have like a lot of fruits in your fridge and you're not having it a lot, so you can just with this cream cut all your fruits and put it in the cream, you know, it makes a really nice dessert. And then we have eggs. These are brown eggs from Walmart again. These are really nice and better than the white eggs that we used to get earlier. From the Indian grocery store, we got Deep's Paneer Paratha, the best. Sometimes when I'm not able to make breakfast for myself or lunch for myself because I'm busy working, editing, doing all sorts of things, I just rely on paneer paratha. They have gobi paratha, aloo paratha, mixed veg paratha. All are good. I like this one. Fulkas. These are refrigerated fulkas, not frozen. And we really like these because it makes everything easy. You just have to cook your curries and this does the job. So, this MTR's Badam Mix. This is great if you love badam shakes or if you like having custards or something like that, you know. Coming to the chips, we have like for snacks, we have these Indian snacks, Uncle Chips. I love green Lays. Sachit loves blue Lays, but if I'm buying green, then he doesn't buy blue for some reason. And then we have orange Kurkure. Okay. Next, I have this is Gut BFF. It's a really nice granola when you keep feeling bloated. Okay, I'll talk about this a little bit because when I came to the US, I would always feel bloated because something with the bread and the food over here that makes your tummy very bloated and painful. I would always rely to things that are gut friendly, and this is a very nice gut friendly granola. Last, we have this can opener because इसकी ज़रूरत थी. ये grocery haul नहीं है, but इसकी ज़रूरत थी. Okay, I think we're done. तो हम वीकेंड्स पे इतना गंद खा लेते हैं कि हमें लगता है अब वीकडेज पे कुछ घर का खाना है और अच्छा खाना है. एंड फॉर दैट मील प्रेप हम पहले ही डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कि दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट वी गोना मेक, और उसके हिसाब से वी बाय ग्रोसरीज. सो इवन इफ वी मेक लाइक 4 curries or 4 things, we have the whole week sorted because Sachit usually has his lunch in the office and it's just me, so I can repeat what I had for dinner for lunch as well. We do not get bread from Walmart, we get it from Whole Foods and a couple of more things from Whole Foods. Like even for desserts we usually rely on Whole Foods. So I can make another haul video for Whole Foods. If you want that, just let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you all in the next video. If you like this video, like the subscribe the share. Bye.